Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to put together my heart-shaped bubblegum layered earrings. So here we have the backers, which have 3M on it and it's 1/16 inch acrylic. All of the front pieces are 1/8 acrylic. So I always start with the top just to make sure that the earring hole lines up. Otherwise it's really hard to get that jump ring to go through the acrylic. Sometimes it takes a couple tries. You can watch me struggle here. As far as attaching the front to the back, I'm using 3M, and you can either do the 3M on the tiny pieces that you're attaching, or you can just do it on the backer like I have here. Either way works. I chose to do the backer because I don't have full colored acrylic sheets with a ton of 3M on it, so it was just easier to do the backer. You can also use weld-on super glue or E6000 glue. It's just whatever your preference is. Here I'm attaching that middle clear part, and I did use frosted acrylic for this because I found that you couldn't see any imperfections in the 3M with the frosted versus perfectly clear. So now we're just going to go ahead and do that again on this second earring. And when you're doing this, you can kind of see that I'm using my fingernails to line up the edges. You're going to want to do that just to make sure that there's, everything is in place, and depending on the kerf of your acrylic, you may have slight gaps in between your designs. You can't really see it on this one, but I have some heart-shaped balloons that you can see it better. Here I'm just going to use some glue, attach these tiny little heart knobs, and again, you can use whichever glue you prefer here. Just don't use a lot because it does spread when you push the acrylic down. And using glue, you actually have a little bit more leeway time with adjusting your pieces because it doesn't cure immediately. So if you're just starting out, glue may be a better option for you until you get the hang of putting the pieces together. So in this file, you have the clear heart-shaped acrylic, and then you also have this piece that has engraved hearts that you can flood fill with paint just to give it a different look. And that's what it looks like finished. Both of these are available on my Etsy shop.